Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick video for you. I've been using my GoPro Max to edit all my RC car footage, and a bunch of you guys have asked me if I can maybe do a quick demo to show how I edit the video. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to assume that you have a 360 camera. I'm using, as I said, my GoPro Max, my 360 Max. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a piece of software. And we'll just open this one here. And when you do this, it launches the GoPro player, and this is the 360 software. So you're seeing a video pop up here of my Arma Outcast. And this shows you this is a 360 video, so I can turn around and do all the stuff I want to do. And then what you're going to do to edit the video here, so if you move and you can see the mouse here, if you move the mouse left or right, it's like turning the camera. The camera is on a tripod, and the way the 360 shoots video is it shoots 360 orbit, and then you can go in and you can just, using your mouse, turn around and see what the camera recorded. So what you're going to do to start the edit, and this is pretty simple, is you're going to find the subject that you want to use, and what I'm going to use in the middle of the video here, this is my Arma truck. I'm going to use my Arma as the demo for this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to put my cursor over the black bar here, and this is how I scroll through my video. And I'm going to find the starting point that I want to start at. You can see me here standing in the video. So then what I do is I just move the video around here and I find my Arma. Once I found my Arma, and I'm going to say this is the starting point. You now move the video up or down to level it or to do the horizontal level. So now I'm trying to, this is a street here, so I'm trying to make that as flat as possible. And that's looking pretty good there. You can also go over to the toolbar here where it says re-level, click on a re-level, and it'll take care of the leveling for you. So now what you're going to do to start the edit is, up in the top toolbar you have a 360 orbit and you have a keyframe marker. To start a new edit, you're going to click on the keyframe marker here, and you're going to see a little blue keyframe popped up here in the toolbar, and you're going to click on that one time, and you'll notice that now it created what they call like a pencil and edit mark. Now you're going to move the video forward, and you'll notice the car went out of frame here, so then you're going to turn the camera to put the truck in the middle of the frame again, like this. And then what I like to do is, because you'll notice the keyframes here are pretty close together, on the GoPro software, all you do is you hold down the control button on your keyboard and you turn the scroller bar, and you'll notice it moves the keyframes. It actually makes your timeline larger, so it spreads out the keyframes so you can actually get in and do more fine detail. And then again, I move the video over here to get the truck in the middle of the video, and then I'm going to click on the keyframe again, and you'll notice it turned it to a pencil. And then I'm going to scroll through the video some more here. Whoops, you can see I get a good shot of my Arma here kicking up some twigs and dirt, and I'm going to put that in the middle of the video here. And again, you can move it up or down, just put it where you want to do. Center your subject is to the best of your ability, and then click on the keyframe. And then move forward again. Click on the keyframe again. And this isn't rocket science, guys. Just scroll through your video and try to keep your subject in the middle of the frame. And then keep clicking on that keyframe marker. So as you can see, guys, I'm just moving the video around with the mouse and trying to keep the truck here in the middle of the video. and every time I get to a frame that I like, I just keyframe it and just keep moving on. And I'll set the last one. So I scrubbed through the video, guys, just to make this quick, about a minute's worth of video. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the scissors here, and I'm going to click on the scissors. Click on the little the scissor icon one time. Scroll back through the video to the very first keyframe. Click on the scissors again. In the upper right hand of the keyboard, it says export. Now, what I'm going to do is, because I'm trying to shoot this in the max resolution possible, I'm going to do 4K. And you'll notice it says upscale. Then I'm going to do the H.264 codec here, because this actually plays on the most options like YouTube, on your computer, things like that. My bit rate is set at max. And then I'm going to hit next. I'm not doing any hardware encoding because I'm doing this on my laptop. Then you're going to just save the file here to your computer or wherever you save your things. I'm saving this to the desktop, so I'm just going to call this for YouTube. And hit save. And then the software will export. There you'll see it saved. You'll see I've saved a bunch of videos here. So now we're going to click on the video that says for YouTube so you guys can see it. And this is the video, guys, I just created. There you go, guys. That's how I shoot videos using the GoPro Hero Max. So if you have the Max, go out and create some cool videos. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.